started revising the notes? When you started the test series? If you right, can you give some idea on that?
If I talk about my attempt when I prepared with you, sir, so that is the time when I actually started from the scratch, and I mean I was able to complete the things. So if I talk about that year, then because I was able to complete my syllabus by September, so I didn't wait up to September for starting test series because September might get very late and I will not be able to complete all the tests that are in the test series. So even before completing syllabus, I started giving exams so that I mean at least what subjects that I am done with, and even if I am not thorough with all subjects, still I want to check my I mean where do I stand and what is my concepts and how am I able to cope up with pressure. So test series would start at about August or maybe maximum September. At September, you have to start giving tests. And for revision, what I would say is that you should go through every subject once 2 months. I mean, beyond 2 months, you should not go. If you are giving studying a subject and leaving it for 3 months, then you may not remember anything. So every 2 months, you should have looked at all the subjects. So you have to plan accordingly. Maybe you are studying one subject thoroughly, then you are revising the another subjects that you studied earlier. So anyway, that you have to manage what you are going to do. But in 2 months of time, you should have one subject. I mean, that particular subject should be looked at in once in 2 months.
I mean, so in the test series, how you used
Mhm.
to get the marks? Means what is your
Initial,
ranking and
yeah, yeah. Initially, when I was not completely, I mean, done with my syllabus, still because it was the month of September, very few people are done with the syllabus. So my ranks were not very bad initially at the month of September. But as I was approaching the GATE examination, my ranks used to improve, and mostly I used to get in top 20, top 30 like that.
what is the best rank you got in the test series?
Many times I got a answer.
AIR-1.
Yes.
I'm sure. Because, right, I know your abilities. I thought you will be top 10. So in the test series, you got many times. What is the worst rank you got in that?
Worst rank, I would say, I mean, I would have to talk about percentile because in the test series not many people will appear. So in the worst case, I ended up less than 50%.
Second time, you got 400 rank approx, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Third time, you got the 17th rank. What exact change you done?
In my second attempt, sir, yes, I was studying a lot, but I had pressurized myself. I had a lot of pressure because I wanted to perform. So in my second attempt, yes, I was studying. I was not sleeping properly. I was not eating properly. There were a lot of factors that affected health as well. So when your mind is not good, and that may lead to some problems. And just 2 months before my GATE examination, I got sick. That affected my preparation. And yes, there are so many factors that you can think of now, but the most important thing that changed in my next year is that I was studying because I was already completed with my syllabus. So I was studying for 4 to 5 hours. I was appearing for test series from the very beginning in the starting month itself. For example, when people were starting their preparation in March month, I was giving test series in the month of March. So that was the main difference, that I had practiced a lot. I had opportunity to explore new things. I have to go opportunity to go deep because I was already done with my syllabus. And the most important thing was keeping a good mind and good environment against around you. I was having good food, and I was going out. I was enjoying my hobbies as well. I was playing cricket, and along with that, I was dedicatedly working for my GATE exam as well. So keeping a good environment was the best thing that changed from my second year to third year.